Okay folks, here we are on the St. Lawrence River where I keep my boat in French Creek Marina in Clayton, New York. And I had to take my boat out of the water because obviously there's no place to put it. And the water is up about 2 feet here. And we'll drive right along the side here. This is unbelievable. Hasn't been this high since 1973. What, Wilbur? What'd you say? Huh? We're talking to the other guy? Okay.
You want to see how deep it is?
That Wilbur's walking out here. He's going to show us how deep it is. It's getting pretty deep, Wilbur.
I know, I can't go much further. I see something else I don't like to see. Tarmac is breaking up.
Oh, that's not good. Yeah, I never thought about that. Starts popping all that tarvia.
Going on.
It's getting kind of deep there, Wilbur. That's about what, a foot over the docks? All right.
It ain't good.
All right. We'll catch you later.
Yeah.
Watch your step. That rigid toolbox, that's where I keep my boat, where I kept my boat. And even if I put my boat in, if you look in distance, you see that overpass on the bridge, and I can't get underneath that anyway. So at any rate, here we go. French Creek Marina. Underwater. Had to put pontoons on my Jeep here. Then you got issues like this right here. You got electrical going down there, which is not good. They had to turn that off because you could get zapped in the water. That's it, folks. French Creek Marina in Clayton. They don't expect the water to go down until middle of July. Have a nice day. Krabby Kirk out.